Hey everybody, how are you? I had to go do some grocery shopping at Walmart, so I ran to the Dollar Tree and Dollar General. Dollar General I'll do first. They had everything for Easter 70% off. Look at these. So I grabbed them all. 30 cents. For next year. Aren't they cute? I'm already ahead of the game for next year. Yep. Look at these cute little tic-tac-toes. So, another set of Ziploc. And they're Ziploc. How cute are these? Of course, I grabbed 2 for the girls. Look at those. Aren't they adorable? And then I picked up these. How stinking cute for next year. And then this is a craft. It's a foam craft kit, and it looks like it's a little chickadee. So I could do that with them. Or actually, by next year, Quinn could do it herself. Yeah, 30 cents each. Can't beat that. Then I did pick up some. I do like their bling, and I love their owls. I figure with all the embellishment boxes we have coming up, and then look at those. No, aren't those pretty? Love these. Those are from Dollar General. So these have to go down to the basement for Easter next year. And then I have to show you this. This was regularly $8, so I got it for $2.40. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. I think that's so cute. Beautiful cross. So I'm already ahead of the game for next year. And you know what? If it's a little too much with the Easter eggs and stuff, I might take this apart and redo it, because that's really pretty. Alright, so this is for next year. Honestly, if I took the Easter eggs off of it and added some more flour, that could stay up all year round. Yep, I might have to do that. Maybe you'll see that coming at you. And then the other thing I did was I did pay full price for this. No, wait. Oh, I grabbed those. Aren't they cute? $1. $1. I grabbed this. Isn't that adorable? It's wood. It's wood. I thought it was so cute. It's a pretty pink. And I do have some pink stuff. Look at that. Oh, how stinking cute is this? $6. So I paid full price for that, but that can sit right in front of me, and I can definitely do some good with that. Alright, so that was Dollar General. Now on to Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh. Alright, this is all bling, because that'll go in the bling stuff. I'll leave that there. Okay. Yeah, I kind of overdid it again in the Dollar Tree. Actually, you know what? Let me show you Walmart real quick. I bought that. I think it was $3, right? And I'm thinking this. I'll show you real quick. Trying to make the most of this desk, because this is where I am the most. So I think I'm going to make this my work area and everything around me for everything else. So in Walmart for 98 cents, they have the 3-basket. So I thought that if I could secure these, I have 3 levels right here in front of me. Right? Let's see if I can turn it on its side. 3 levels. So I picked this up today. So I'm kind of curious to see what I come up with for that. Oop, I turned on my phone. Haha. Okay. Then I did pick up some white paint because I am going to be doing some decoupaging. Yes, I am. And then I did grab some more pearls. Oh, I grabbed 2 packages of pearls. And then I grabbed those pretty, you see those and those? Alright, so I grabbed those. I'm going to put all the embellishment stuff that way. Alright. I grabbed a wreath, because I want to make a wreath for the front of the house. Actually, the hallway. And then I grabbed 2 packages of napkins to do the decoupaging with. How cute, right? And then I grabbed more of those. And you all know why, because I'm going to be making Mother's Day gifts. Yepper. That's what I'm going to be doing. Mother's Day gifts. Alright, let's see. What else did I grab? I did grab another one of those for Christmas. Oh, look at what I got. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. How great is that? Love it. I'm going to be putting that up. They had these in the plate aisle. The glasses, plates, cups, bowls. These are journal sticky notes. How great would these be as shakers? I'm thinking shakers. And then I fell in love with those. I really wasn't looking at stickers, but even though I did glance, guess what? They didn't have anything new. Then I did grab that one. I've seen a couple of people haul them, and I thought, you know what? I might have to design something to put on that. Yeah, I might have to write Donna, powered by creativity. Maybe I can. I'll have to try that. And then I grabbed that for the grad. Oh, I wanted it to say 2018. I grabbed the wrong one. Rats. I grabbed that one. This one says 2018. Then I grabbed that. It actually smells very, very summer. So I'm going to leave that in the downstairs bathroom. I think as soon as the warm weather comes and I could shut off that wood-burning stove, my goal is to tackle a room a day. A room a day. Let's see if I can do that. Yep. A room a day. A room a day. A room a day. And then they had some graduation funfetti. So I grabbed some of that. I don't know why, but I did. They actually had, and I will insert it here, all the 4th of July stuff, which I'm really not into yet. And then, of course, I had to pick up more Bolero products because, oh, I wanted to try that. Wait. For Mother's Day gifts. Then I grabbed this. It's actually lip lacquer. I wanted to try it. I see all you girls hauling the elf stuff. And I just wanted to see. Oh, that's going to be very pretty. I'll have to try that. So I grabbed this. It's a lipstick. Then I grabbed this. It's supposed to be Calvin Klein. I didn't even smell it, but I thought, you know what? To have in the bathroom downstairs. Oh, wow. It smells like a leather. It smells very nice. Pretty bottle. Pretty bottle. I did grab that. And then, oh, that bag's ripped. They had 4th of July table scatters, but I'm thinking cards. Thinking cards. All right. Ready, girls? How cool are these? They have flamingos on them. And Lord knows I need to do my nails, but I'm trying to let them air out for a couple of days. I did get 2 of these for some up-and-coming crafts. 2 of the wire baskets. I got the Zoom Zooms. I honestly went to Dollar Tree today to look for the Zoom Zooms I see people hauling. They didn't have them. So I am on the hunt for the Zoom Zooms. If you go to Dollar Tree, buy me some please, and I'll pay you. Oh, it's kind of bent. I did pick up 2 more of these. I'm going to give one to Shannon. Right? Picked up 2 different ones. Because we got grads. Alright, let's another bag down. Oh, brother. Okay, now, remember, I'm thinking Christmas. 1 for Danica, 1 for Shannon. Yep, this is Christmas side. Thinking Christmas. How sweet. Oh, I picked these up for the camper. Let me know. Has anybody used these? I'm kind of curious. I figured I'd go give it to him. In fact, I gotta bring it outside to him right now. And then I'm addicted to the Bolero products. I'm gonna be making some really nice Mother's Day. I'm gonna put all the Bolero products in the Bolero bag. Because I have 1, 2, 3 baskets to put together. Plus gifts. Oh, I have more Bolero products. Oh yeah, I've got a whole bunch more. I'm not even going to bother you with those. And then I bought some glass stuff. Glass plates and vases. But I'll show you those vases when I'm actually doing the craft. I'm not going to bore you. Because we've all seen Dollar Tree vases. Here's another craft. Here's another craft. Here's another haul. I'm done. Somebody needs to handcuff me to my desk. Come handcuff me to my desk. I can't go no more. This is it. I'm going to send John to go look for the Zoom Zooms. This way I don't buy anything else. I do have a lot of crafts on the brain that I'm going to get done. I just have to stop. I really do. Is there a 1-800 number for Dollar Tree Anonymous? Haha. Alright guys, I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.